Let us learn example 722. Calculate the weight of a hollow brass sphere if the inner diameter is 14 centimeter and the thickness is 1 millimeter and whose density is 17.3 gram per centimeter cube. So we need to find the weight of this hollow sphere. Brass is the material, okay, that the hollow sphere made of this brass material. So calculate the weight of the hollow sphere with this measures, okay. What is the formula to find the volume of the hollow sphere? It is 4 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube. Okay, here they given the inner diameter and thickness. Using this inner diameter we can find the inner radius. So with this thickness we can find the outer radius also. Okay, so we can do this. Since why we are relating this values to the volume, so they given the density. Okay, density means it is given mass per unit volume. So we need to find the volume of this sphere, then we can relate that value with the density. Okay. So for doing this, first you consider R, capital R and small r be the outer and inner radii of the hollow sphere. Okay, next what are the values are given? Given inner diameter equal to 14 centimeter, implies inner radius R is equal to 14 by 2, that is equal to 7 centimeter. Also given thickness is equal to 1 millimeter. Since the radius is in centimeter, you should change the thickness in centimeter. It is equal to 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. No, so 1 millimeter is 1 by 10 centimeter. What is 1 by 10 in decimal form? It is 0.1. Okay, so thickness is 0.1 centimeter, which implies what about the capital R value? It is small r plus thickness. Okay, normally thickness we will write in W. We can use that also, small r plus W, width. That's the meaning, which is equal to 7 plus 0.1 centimeter, that is equal to 7.1 centimeter. So we get the capital R and also we have the small r also. Then we can find the volume of the hollow hemisphere. We have volume of, not hemisphere, volume of hollow sphere. Hollow sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube cubic units. So we can substitute the value 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into capital R cube, it is 7.1 cube minus small r cube, it is 7 cube. Okay. So we need to find out the value. You cannot cancel this in this simplification. You have to change the bracket also. So we can find out the value for 7.1 cube and 7 cube. Okay. Now listen here. When I multiply this 7.1, when I find the 7.1 cube, I got this, I done this multiplication like this, 71 into 71. With that, I multiply again 71. So in this product, 7.1 cube means there we will get 3 decimal part. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 3 decimal part. After 3 decimal part, I have to put the decimal point 3 digit, after 3 digit. So I got this value as 357.911. Then 7 cube is 343. Okay, so we can write this calculation is 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 357.911 minus 343. Okay, so we have to do this calculation also. So after doing the subtraction, I got that 14.911. Okay, so we can write this as 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 14.911. Now, can you cancel any number? No, we cannot reduce this 14.911 using 3 or 7. Okay, so totally you multiply and divide by 21. You will get the volume of the hollow sphere. Then we can relate this value with the density. Okay. When you do the calculation, maximum you take only 2 digit in the decimal part. So this value 357.91 minus 343. So you will get here the subtraction is 14.91. Okay. So we can do the multiplication with this number. 2 into 22 is 88. So 88 into 14.91 divided by 21. Okay. So what is the value you see here? 14.91 I multiplied here, and you will get this 2 digit in the decimal part. So it is 1312.08 divided by 21. Okay, when we divide we will get a 62.48. Okay, so this value we can write as, which is equal to 1312.08 divided by 21, that is equal to 62.48. Since it is the volume, we can write it is in the unit is centimeter, so it is volume is centimeter cube. Okay, we got the volume of the hollow sphere. Then they given the density of this hollow sphere is equal to 17.3 gram per centimeter cube. For 1 centimeter cube, the weight is 17.3 gram. It is the meaning. Okay, which implies weight of the hollow sphere brass hollow sphere. Okay, the metal according to the metal this density will differ. So here you mention the material also. Brass hollow sphere in 1 centimeter cube is equal to 17.3 gram. Are you clear? So why they given the density? It is weight for 1 centimeter cube. Here we get 62.48 centimeter cube. That's why I said using this, since given the density, we need to find the volume. Okay, the density is given, it is 17.3 gram per centimeter cube. Per centimeter cube means 1 centimeter cube. Okay, so for 1 centimeter cube, the weight is 17.3 kilogram. There, which implies weight of the brass in 62.48 centimeter cube equal to the 17 weight, the 62.48 into 17.3 gram. Okay, when you write the unit, this here the multiplication is there. Don't write the 17.3 gram in the left side. Then this gram and this multiplication symbol will come near together. Don't write that way. Write the unit separately. Okay, we can multiply and find the value. So when I do the multiplication, here I got this value here. So we can move put the decimal point 483. So 3 decimal parts are there. So after 3 digit from the right, you can put the decimal point. So we will get the value as 1080 divided 0.904. Okay. Well, now we can approximate to 2 digit. It is 1080.90. Okay, for the third digit is less than 5. So we can leave that value. No change in the previous digit since the weight in gram given. So here also we can write the unit is gram. Okay, so we can write the final answer. Weight of the hollow brass sphere is 1080.90 gram. Are you all clear?